In the past 5 months, this channel has generated more than $19,700. And this faceless channel, with these simple videos, earns between $14,700 and $235,900 every year. So, in this video, I will attempt to create an even better faceless YouTube channel.
We do not care.
Focused on philosophy using only free AI software. I will automate the entire process, from generating ideas to scripting and voiceover. Trust me, and watch the full video as I take you through this exciting journey. Sit back, relax, and grab your favorite drink.
2 moments later.
All you need to do, come onto ChatGPT and ask it to create me 20 YouTube channel names about philosophy. There is so many options, but I really like this one. So I created a channel, Put Your Mouse on YouTube Studio. Go to customization tape. Then basic info. I will now rename my channel to Socratic Sages. Now I need to figure out my channel branding for this. I will use Leonardo. It's completely free. Put your mouse on this. Now I will come up here and ask it to make me an old philosopher with black background. The results are amazing, but I'm really in love with this. Click on it and download it now. Open Canva. Come up here and search for YouTube banner. I will keep it simple. Just go to Elements and search for a black background. I will choose this one. Let me also fix the size. Now it's good. Let's head back to chat. GPT. Ask it to create 10 YouTube banner captions about subscribing to my philosophy channel. Now we have so many options. I like this one. I will just copy it and choose text. Add a header. Now paste the text. Let me adjust the size. And now it's ready to download now. Let's head back to YouTube Studio and add the logo and YouTube banner. And now the branding is done.
2,000 years later.
Let's start with script generation. Open ChatGPT and ask it to create 40 famous Chinese proof vips in quotes. With English, without authors. Name it if you want more. You should type more. Now let's move to voice generation.
Very nice.
I will use Play HT. Create account for free. All you have to do, go back to ChatGPT.
Oh my god, bro.
Just copy and paste here in the settings. Choose Hudson and click on this to generate. The voiceover is ready. Let's upload it and move to video editing. Head back to Canva, search for your tube video. Now we should choose a background video. I will use the similar background. Let me adjust the size. Now we need to create a character. Here we need to get creative because I don't want to just copy this channel. I will do something better that I will show till the end. Now I've been generated other pictures. So let's select this, and the best part in Leonardo, that you can download it without background. Let's head back to Canva and upload our character. Let me just resize it and adjust the position now. It looks super cool. Let's download it. Choose PNG and then download next step. Open IID. And now this iTool, make our character speak. And remember, this channel only uses a still images. Create an account for free. And now you will come to dashboard. Click on create video and choose the option ad. I will select the picture that we made with Canva. And now we will add the voiceover.
Oh my god.
I will select the voiceover that we was generated with Play HE and upload the audio. Put your mouse on generate video and wait a little bit till it's finished. As you can see now, our character speaking it. Looks so cool. Now I will just download the video. Now we will start by adding subtitles I will use for this CapCut. Put your mouse on this, go to text, auto captions, and create. Let me adjust the size and the color. And now it's amazing. I know you guys want to hear it. But watch till the end to watch the video. And let's move to video uploading. And, let's go to YouTube Studio. Upload our video. Now we need the title, video description, and the keywords. I will use ChatGPT for this. Let's ask it to create 5 titles for a YouTube video about inspirational Chinese quotes. Now I will ask it to create a short YouTube video description to get views about philosophy. I will just copy and paste title, video description, and finally tags. Now let's move to the most important step, thumbnail design. Let's head back to Canva, click on create, search for YouTube, thumbnail, choose the same black background, and add a character, click on text. Choose any quotes, and paste it here. Let me change the font. I will choose impact. Let me also adjust the size now. Go to elements and type brush. Choose this, change the color to red, and now place it here, click on position, and select backward. Our thumbnail is ready. Let's download it and get back to YouTube Studio and upload the thumbnail. Then click on. Next, select this option. Now in the visibility tab. Choose public and then publish ad. Is it? Now it's the time to show you the results. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video.
A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. When the winds of change blow, some people build walls, others build windmills. He who asks a question is a fool for 5 minutes.